Hello everyone, welcome back to my latest video, and this is also going to be a AI related video, and I have already made shorts, YouTube shorts on this. So we are going to create a AI bot, basically a Telegram bot that will take input from the user as a YouTube link, right, YouTube URL, and that will trigger n8n workflow, and AI agent will infer the incoming URL, and it will validate whether it is a valid URL or not. If it is valid, it will send that request to MCP server. So my MCP server will be extracting audio out of YouTube video, and it will convert that into, it will decode that into MP3 file, and that MP3 will be sent back to user in the bot chat. Okay, so this is what we are going to create. This is the architecture, and without wasting time, let's start the demo. Before that, this is the video for which I'm going to extract audio from it, right? There are many websites available, but as you know that most of those websites may not be safer to use to extract audio out of your video link, right? So this will be easier to build, and it is safer. Okay, so let us play for a few seconds. This is anyhow copyright free. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Let's copy the link. Okay, let me copy the link, and let's put in our chat with bot. This is our bot, MP3 bot. Let me copy paste. Okay, and then enter. So this should trigger our workflow. Let's go to the workflow. This is our workflow. Let's see whether our workflow got triggered. Yeah, it is running now, and it will take some time. And the request should come to my MCP server. This is my MCP server, YouTube to MP3 MCP server, and you can see it has come to MCP server, and it has started doing its stuff, right? So basically, this code this takes a YouTube URL as an input, and it uses the tool YT-to-MP3, which is open source tool, and several MP3 decoder packages, and basically convert that and send that back to n8n workflow as MP3, right? So let's see what stage we are in. Okay, I think we got some message. Okay, so we got our output, right? Let's play this to confirm whether it was the same. Okay, we got the output, and the file name will be output.mp3. You can put whatever file name you want, right? Okay, so we got the output. We safely extracted a MP3 file or audio file from YouTube link, right? So this was the demo. Let me go to the my n8n workflow. So I will explain all this. Okay. So our trigger source is Telegram trigger. So this is listening to user, and user is giving YouTube link through Telegram bot that will trigger the webhook, and that will come to our AI agent. AI agent job is to verify, validate the whether this is a valid YouTube URL or not, right? And create a output variable so that my next set of action can be taken place, right? In this, if it is a valid URL, it will come to my MCP server, and my MCP server will extract the audio out of it and send back to the Telegram bot back. Right? If it is not valid, then it will say it is not valid. So this was very short demo. I hope you liked it. And this is the architecture. As you can see, Telegram bot is listening to user sending a YouTube URL. AI agent makes sure that it is a valid URL, and then it sends that to MCP for the audio extraction. And once the audio is back to